everybody. Me and Heather are getting ready to go to the Simpsonville show, and just wanted to show you, maybe take you along the way. We have not gone grocery shopping. This thing is full to the max. Actually, you wouldn't think that all this stuff would fit in there. But what it takes for us to do a show. Luckily, we can fit it all in here. But I got the whole car. Got it. Oh gosh, about tripped over a box. Got it full. So this display stand and everything's in here. It's like building a Lego set to put it in there. I bought a trailer a couple years now. Bought that little trailer over there to do this, and everything fits in that trailer. But when you I cannot see, when you pull it with our car, it like doubles the gas consumption. And I'm like, well, for now, if we can fit it all in here, that's what we're going to do. So we're about to head to Simpsonville, South Carolina. It's a pretty day here in Georgia. I hope it's a pretty day in South Carolina. But anyway, 5-hour trip. Ready? I'm ready. All right, let's go. All right, so we just started, and I never did this before, but there had been videos people filmed their hometown, sort of like Kim over in Denmark filmed his hometown, which is amazing because it's like ancient. This is our town. We'll be done in just a second. There's the new grocery store going in. There's our bank.
Our sister-in-law works.
There's the water tower. And
let's see, anything else interesting?
We're turning this way, so.
You mean to hold it?
I got it. It's fine. I'm sure this is legal.
We're not getting gas?
No, I'll just get some in Jessup. All right, so here is
the center of town.
This used to be, for the majority of my life, the only red light in our county. The entire county, that was the only red light. Now there's several. So, getting a good look at this. Nothing ancient here.
This is the downtown.
This is it. This old hotel right here. Hotel Knox Hotel has got some history to it.
Yeah, Prince.
There's my brother-in-law's house, but you can't see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that old some pretty couple of neat things happened there. Prince who?
Prince Edward, and the one that was a divorcee and he stepped down.
Yeah.
Was abdicated.
Yeah.
Him and his.
Hold on, if you buy our stuff, that's where it gets shipped from every day.
Yeah.
Every day. There's the Piggly Wiggly. Won't be here much longer.
Well, listen to night.
We're going to close it down because that other grocery store started.
Our daughter lives down there.
My daughter's house, right down there with the white car. And I passed where my first job was.
There's the gym.
There's the gym. We're almost done. This restaurant, actually, yes, that is an actual open restaurant.
Yeah.
Been there forever. I've gone there all my life. It's called the Gold House. And this is one of my first jobs right here, as a pumping gas and changing oil and stuff. Woodard's Auto Center. And guess what? We're done. That was quick.
Yep.
There's a few other things, but nothing like at all exciting. Oh, real quick, while we're driving by this dude right up here has got some old cars, and you guys probably will think they're neat. There's like an old Christine. Let's see. Right there. But they're all complete rust buckets. But anyway, okay, we're done. See you in a minute. All right, we finished. We got here late, but thanks to Ronnie, the guy right there that runs the show, he gave us a few extra minutes to get set up, so we got her all done. It's ready to go for tomorrow. I would May the 16th at this point. That's irrelevant because you'll see this video afterwards. But anyway, guys, there's not many set up today. They will be tomorrow. And there's all the tables ready for cars to be set up. This is always a good show. You need to make it to this one if you haven't before. Simpsonville, South Carolina. Got all but one. I left one. I thought I brought them all, but my little mini sprint car, I didn't bring those. But I got everything else that I got as far as kits. And there's the little guy. There's the little guy right there. Little ape, not ape. So I'm told. But yeah, we got all set up. Now we can hopefully nothing to get. We had every. This is weird. Every one of them is filled up. So I filled up every peg that we had. That's exactly how many we needed. It's never worked that way, but anyway, we usually do all engines on one side, all wheels on one side, and we have to try and calculate how many we'll have to get to the bottom. This time I just said, heck with it, we'll just go engines on top, and we had to start right there with the first set of wheels. But if we hadn't done that, we'd have been short because it stopped at 102 right there. So, all right, thank you, Heather. Thank you. Appreciate you. She worked hard. All right, so we're gonna go get something to eat and see everybody on tomorrow, Saturday. But we're ending this video. Take care. Appreciate it. mcvproducts.com. And we just wanted to give you a quick insight. And Heather said that'd be interesting to people. Let them see what it's actually all about.
Well, they missed the whole week of
Oh, they missed the whole week of
That was
getting
the
it all
hard
together.
part.
But anyway, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you. Bye.